Here's the question. Here's how it's written. The length of the side of the house in the drawing is 3 centimeters. Find the actual length. They've given us the scale, 1 centimeter to 2.5 meters. Okay, so we have to build the proportion. We can build it 2 ways. I was talking about this yesterday in our live session a little bit. So what we've been doing is picking one of the things and making those the numerator and picking the other thing as the denominator, right? So if we go with that, if you've been successful, you should do it that way. So we have a drawing and we have an actual house, right? So I'm just going to use, I'm going to use D and A for my drawing and my actual. And then I'm going to build my proportion. So the drawing is 1 centimeter. And the length of the house in the drawing is 3 centimeters. Okay? And then the actual, for the actual information, I know that the scale, right, the scale part is 2.5, and the actual is what I'm missing. So that's where my X is going to go. So then from here, I can cross multiply. Okay, but the drawing information went on top, and then the actual information went on the bottom. When I set this up to solve, I end up with 1x, or just x, equals 2.5 times 3. So x equals 7.5. 7.5 meters. Okay, let's solve it the other way. When they give us a scale, this way is my favorite. You don't have to do that though. Okay, I want you to do what makes sense to you. Everybody works a little bit differently. But I take the scale, so I start with the scale. So the scale says 1 centimeter, I don't need those, equals 2.5 meters. So the equal is already in it. So then to build my proportion, I know that those two things are in the right places already. Does that make sense? And this was talking about the drawing, 1 centimeter, that's the small one. So it's going to take the 3 centimeters from the problem as its denominator, right? I'm going to put the labels together, the centimeters and the centimeters. And then this is the one missing, so that's my X value. And even though I set it up differently, I still have the 1x being multiplied together and the 2.5 being multiplied by the 3. So I'm still going to end up with the same answer. So anyways, I just wanted to show you both ways. I like to start with the scale, again, because 2 of them are already in the right spot. Okay? Okay, let's do one more together. I'm not going to do it 2 times. I'm just going to solve it the once, and then I'm going to let you get working on homework. And again, if you have questions, check your IXL. Come see me for office hours. Okay, this is our example 2, but it's really the quick check in case you want to follow along in your book. This is quick check number 1 at the bottom of page 213. And it says, we're talking about the same house, that the chimney is 4 centimeters tall. And how tall is the actual chimney? So again, I'm going to use the scale. So 1 is equal to 2.5. So centimeters is the drawing, so 4 goes with the drawing. The actual is what's missing, so that's my variable. And then I'm going to multiply. So I get x is equal to, let's see if I can do some quick math. I think it's 10 meters. Just going to do that off to the side, 2.5. Please show your work. Don't impress me with what you can do in your head. Impress me with, yes, what's on your paper. Okay, so 10 meters is my answer for this. All right, you guys, for homework, we are going to be on page 215, and I'd like you to do numbers 5 through 10. Let me know if you have any questions.